Hello friends, we're on day 27, 30 days of motivation. If you're just joining us, please go back to my previous videos because each video adds on to another. As millennials, we're simply trying to navigate life. 2020 and adulting has been so ghetto, but I'm here to help as best as I can. So, as we navigate life, it is definitely easier said than done to not let things interfere with you progressing and moving forward. But that's why it's imperative to work on yourself daily. It's important to work on yourself daily. So this video focuses on self-reflection and how journaling is helping me, and in turn will help guide you all through this journey as well. And my day 26 video focuses on being silent about your goals. And like, if you want to meet your goals more often without spilling the beans, I do have a few tips to keep you motivated. So tip number 1 is to be your own private hype man. Like, we all like a hype man, but you need to be your own private hype man. You don't have to broadcast everything, and you wouldn't broadcast every failure, so do not broadcast every success either. And often the more you boast, you often put expectations in other people's minds that are often hard to meet, and it often puts pressure on yourself. And instead of like one-upping yourself, just set step-by-step goals quietly, put the work in to achieve them, and then broadcast your achievements. And until your progress is complete, be silent about them. Tip number 2, be selective on social media. Like, the more you post, the more you dilate your personal or business brand. Now, this can be good or bad, but preferably keep your online activity to the minimum. And when you do post, you want to command the attention. So if you have a business, make sure your engagement does just that, engages. Tip number 3, focus on the walk, not to talk. Walk it like I talk it. But no, when you begin working on a project, like, every discussion about your progress poses a danger to retrain it. So unless you're speaking to people who are working on the project with you, keep your excitement and frustrations under your hat, and you can talk all about the details after you deliver the final project. Tip 4, stay humble and keep working. Like, keep quiet about your project and surprise everyone about how great it is. But don't think just because you've learned everything on one project that's it, because as quickly as your dream become a reality the first time, it can also become a nightmare the second that you forget about humility and a drive that enabled your initial success. Tip 5, set yourself up for repeats. So when I managed to get to the end of like an important project successfully, it's like winning a playoff game. Like, no one wins the Super Bowl often, although winning once makes it much harder to win it again. But if you're not fully dedicated to the job, the trials, the setbacks, you can't achieve the victory. So ultimately, the ability to repeat success separates the good from the great. So take a second to breathe after your accomplishments, and ensure you're ready to give your undivided attention to the next challenge. And on Monday, I uploaded this video on my stories for my quote of the day, but I thought it was perfect to use for the end of this video. So it says, if it entertains you now but will hurt you someday, it's a distraction. Don't settle. Don't exchange what you want most for what's easiest at the moment. So study your routines and your habits, figure out where your energy goes, and remove distractions. And it's time to focus on what matters. So the journal prompt of the day is, what's one distraction that has been getting the best of you lately, and why? Remember, use your journal for this prompt, and if you haven't, click that link in my bio and grab a copy of my published journal. But remember guys, we're on this journey together. We developed the way, on the way. You got this, we got this. Until next time, this has been your daily millennial motivation with the Millennial Educator. You got this.